Well, I chose EDEM to do business because primarily it's a very good university backed up with great connections of business people, and I think it's very important for our future careers to have that support from the industry, because both university and the industry must work together in a cooperative way for our own beneficial future, and it really forms the alumni much better.
Our last project that we started last September is a Bachelor of Applied Management for Entrepreneurs. This is a program approach at undergrads, 4-year BA program, because we believe if there are no entrepreneurs, we have no businesses, and without businesses, there is no job. Here we foster the entrepreneurial spirit among young people. It has a very, very practical approach. In fact, this is a 4-year degree with 4-year summer internship periods. All our students started their internship today. Faculty formed by entrepreneurs, experienced managers, professionals, PhDs. We are highly committed with education in values. For us, commitment, effort, ethics, and attitudes is very important. We work in small groups, and we have a very advanced tutorial system. And we have created a fund for the final projects. So when a student comes with an idea and wants to develop and create a company, we will be there to help them. Tuition fees are fully or partially financed for students that cannot afford the cost, and that money will be returned when they start working. We are leading to the end of this small presentation, and I would just like to emphasize again the definition of entrepreneur for one of our vice president and Mercadona president, Juan Roch, which is that the entrepreneur is able to see opportunities that others don't see, take risks, and focus on the satisfaction of customer needs. We would really like to pass on the legacy of enthusiasm for learning, passion for enterprising.
I would recommend doing business here in EDEM because it's placed in a great location with great connections. It grants you the opportunity to have contact with business people and to learn both theory and practical work and bind those two together for a clear and better concept settling.